Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to connect your Etsy shop to a Facebook page step by step. First of all, we will start by creating a Facebook business page. Then we will link it to our Etsy shop so that our listings can sync and can promote the store directly on the Facebook. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try Etsy seller tool for yourself, you can just use the links that are given down in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the first step, you will have to open your web browser here on your PC. Once you do so, simply just search for facebook.com. Over here, when you are on the facebook.com, you will have to log in into that particular account of yours on which you want to create your Facebook business page first. So here, once you have done that, your Facebook dashboard is going to look something like this. Here you can see we have a bunch of different options in the left hand side. So among these, simply click on the option of see more, then simply scroll down a bit and click on the option of pages. Now here it is going to show you all of the pages that you might have created previously, but I would recommend you to create a new page because it will be dedicated to your Etsy shop. Now click on the option of create new page. Over here you need to simply give the name of your page. So ideally it will be your Etsy shop name for branding consistency. So you can add it over here. For this video, I'm just adding this name. Then in the category, it is very much required for you to add the category. So here you can either type shopping or retail, or you can also select any other store in which you are. So you can add either the handmade store or e-commerce. So in the categories, you can add 2 to 3 categories if possible. After that, we have the bio section. So here you can add a short bio that represent what you are basically selling on your Etsy shop. For example, let's say I've added this bio, which is handmade jewelry and custom gifts. Now, once you have done that, simply click on the option of create page. Now, Facebook is going to take some time and it will show you a pop-up in the bottom saying that you have successfully created your page. So once the page is created successfully, as you can see in the right hand section, we have the overview of how our Facebook page is going to look. So here in the left hand section, we can now start creating our Facebook page by adding further details on it. So here, first of all, it is going to ask you to add the link of your website. So in order to do it, simply come here on etsy.com. Over here, simply click on the option of sign in on the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to go to your dashboard, and from there you will have to copy your Etsy shop link and paste it over here. Then in the phone number, you can add your contact details if you want to. You can also provide just your email address. Then select the location where your company or where your store is based in. Then select the hours available, whether it is open 24 hours or whether it is open on the selected hours. So if it is a digital product, you can select always open. Now Facebook is going to ask you to add the images. So here click on the option of add profile picture. Now it is going to show you a bunch of different profile pictures that are available on your PC. So you can select any of the profile picture that basically represents your Etsy shop. After that, we are going to add our brand page. So I'm adding the random images, but you can select the one that represents your shop. Afterwards, click on the option of next here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now we have added our cover page, we have added our profile picture, and now it is going to show the page health, which is looking good. You can add the phone number if you want, but you can also skip it. You can just simply send the friend request to the people and you can let them know that you have created a page. So they have given you these options here as well. Now, as you can see over here, our page is successfully created, and it has also given us this professional dashboard. So with the help of this professional dashboard, you can just take a look at how many people are actually visiting over here. Now, there are some of the things that you need to do once the page is created. So here, go to the edit option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here in the edit option, make sure that your website link is selected. After that, you can add a button over here. So when you go to the more section, you can just take a look at the button option. When you select the button option, you can also add your link to that. Over here you can make sure that you added some of the details, and here you can add your address, your WhatsApp related details, your pronouns if you want to, and then click on the option of save here in the bottom. So these types of links and the buttons are going to allow the people on Facebook to click and go directly to your Etsy store. So make sure that you try to add as many things as possible that are going to redirect people to your Etsy shop. Now, once everything is done, now is the time for you to connect your Facebook account to your Etsy shop as well. For that, you just have to first of all come here on the home page of your Facebook account. After that, click on the option of see more in the left hand side. Here you will see the option of ads manager. So when you click on it, it is going to redirect you here on the ads manager page. You can also just open a new tab just like so. After that, you can just simply search for business.facebook.com, and this is going to redirect you here on this page. Now over here too, you will have to first of all log in into your Facebook account, and here you will see the page that we have just created. So after clicking on it, you are going to see the connect option here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So once you see that connect option over here, just simply click on that, and you need to just simply move to your Etsy account. Over here in your shop manager account, you need to tap on the top right hand corner of the screen. There, when you click on the marketing option, you can look for social media, then select the option of social selling tools. There you will find connect Facebook option. So click on the option of connect, and Etsy is going to automatically open Facebook authorization window in front of you. Now Facebook is also going to ask which page you want to connect to Etsy. So make sure that you select the right page. After doing so, you can allow the required permissions because Etsy need access to sync your shop catalog and connect your products listing. You will also confirm the access for the page management, for catalog access, and for the ads access. After that, simply click on the option of continue and authorize the connection. Now, once the sync is established between Etsy and Facebook, if you come here on your Facebook page, you will see all of the products that you have available on your Etsy store will now be available on your Facebook page. So you can click on the top right hand corner of the screen of your profile, and you can just simply just take a look at the profile view of your page. After that, go to the manage page option, and here you will see all of your listings here in this place. You can also manage your listings with the help of these options that are available in the left hand side. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.